Hello friends, again we got the two question episode to do the question on coordinate geometry. I have taken two questions today which I would like to do for the conic sections. Now my first question that a common tangent is drawn to this circle and ellipse. There is a common tangent on a circle and on ellipse. Now here you find question like this involving ellipse and hyperbola and parabola and circle like that, you will get into it. So I have got a question involving a common tangent, this and this, and in the first quadrant. This common tangent is in the first quadrant. This is the first quadrant. This is the first quadrant. Then what we have to find? The length of the intercept this tangent makes between the axis, between the coordinate axis. What will be the intercept, length of intercept? Here it is. Now here is a common tangent. Now suppose I give example to you. This is the, suppose this is a ellipse, and suppose there is a one, I just drawing a circle over here. There is a common tangent drawn here. So when common tangent drawn here, friends, then what? What will be, now what here is y is equal to mx plus c. If there is a line and it touches x square plus y square is equal to a square, then we know the condition. This condition is, you know, c square is equal to a square into 1 plus my m square, this one. And if this line touches the ellipse, then c square must be equal to a square m square plus b square. Now friend, this is the condition. It means in this case they must be same. Now here what is this a square means 16 into 1 plus m square must be equal to a square means 25 m square plus 4. It means here 12 is equal to 9m square, and therefore I found m square is equal to 12 by 9, and therefore m is equal to, well, 3 and 4 is equal to plus minus 2 upon under root 3. Now here decision of m should be taken or negative or positive. Now this decide. This tangent drawn in the first quadrant means here the angle is obtuse and therefore m should be negative. So I'll take this one here. This is the crux of telling that the length of, now I'm looking for length of intercept. Length of the intercept. Here the common tangent is drawn, and now we find the equation of the tangent, the common tangent equation. I'll find the equation of common tangent. What is the common tangent equation is? The common tangent equation is y is equal to now here y is equal to mx plus under root plus minus, okay, a square or a square into 1 plus m square. I'm talking about the case of I took the case of the only circle. So circle I am talking about, it is by minus 2 by 3 under root into x plus my a square was 16, and in 1 plus my m square means 4 upon 3. Well, here minus 2 by under root 3x, और दोस्तों यहाँ पर आया 7, 4 into under root 7 by 3. Now this is my equation of the tangent, that the common tangent on the circle and the ellipse is, I found the common. Sometime in the examination they may ask you what is the equation of a common tangent. Well, the question is beyond it. Question asks us the length of intercept. So I must know the coordinate of A and coordinate of B. What is coordinate of B on this? When yx is equal to 0, when y is equal to 0 here, then what is x is equal to minus 4 by 7 by 3 is equal to minus 2 by under root 3x. So minus this cancel, and this is x is equal to under root 3 divided by 2. This goes with this goes with this. it is 2 into root 7. So it is, this is 2 into root 7 and 0. 1. My b will be what when x is equal to 0? What is equal to is a 4 upon 7 upon 3. This is it. So here you will put x is equal to 0, you got the y coordinate. Now I got one point is 0 and 4 root 7 by 3. Other point is 2 root 7 and 0. I want to find the distance between them. This square is equal to means 4, 7, and this is equal to 16, 102 by 3. I took this is equal to 3 here, this is equal to 196, root this is equal to 14 upon root 3. If I rationalize, it is equal to 14 into root 3 divided by 3. This is the answer. I don't know, choice was the C. C was the choice. When you look at the question, this is the question based on the fact that there is a common tangent between the circle and the ellipse, and you want to find out the length of the intercept made in the process of this. So first of all, we found out what is the, here is common tangent, or we take the common tangent of what a line y is equal to mx plus c is a condition. Then what is the condition that a line y is equal to mx plus c touches this one. The c square will same both the cases. Then comparing with that, we got the m. Now we decide m is a minus because the tangent was that is in the first quadrant. My next question, the second episode, 2-question episode of my coordinate geometry today. I took in the question from IIT Mains and that I am discussing. Here is the question that let A is the eccentricity of hyperbola. With this, hyperbola eccentricity is equal to root of E is equal to root of under root 5 by 2. First thing is this. The length of lattice rectum length is equal to 6 under root 2. And y is equal to 2x plus c is a tangent to the hyperbola. This hyperbola is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. The question is that we have given a hyperbola, general hyperbola h, and we have taken that given eccentricity, we have given the lattice rectum and a line which is called tangent of the hyperbola. What we have to find out, what is the value of c square? We have to find the value of c square. C square here. We will use these three concepts. First of all, I must tell what is eccentricity of the hyperbola. Eccentricity hyperbola is this one. We have got the b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1, and we got this, the answer, this is here. So this is one part. What is lattice rectum is equal to 2b square upon a is equal to 6 upon under root 2. This is the second one. And I want to, this is the tangent, therefore c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. Here m is equal to 2, this is equal to 4a square plus b square. I have to find the value of c square, so I must look for a square and b square, which is the transverse and the conjugate axis. I look for a square and b square. What is a square, b square, my c square? To get the answer, I must know what a square and b square is. Look at this now. What is a square? Let me take a square common from here is a 4 plus b square upon a square. And I know b square, a square is equal to e square minus 1. E square is equal to 5 by 2 minus 1 is this one answer is equal to 3 by 2. So it is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. The a square is equal to 4 plus 3 by 2. Okay. This is, here we go. E square minus 1, 3 by 2, and I got there. This is equal to a square into 11 by 2. This is it. My friend here, sorry friend, good day. This is a hyperbola, I am talking to minus here. Sorry, it is a minus here because I am talking about the hyperbola. So this is minus, so this is minus, so this is minus, and this is equal to what, 5 by 2. I am sorry, I use the ellipse one. Ellipse is a plus, and in case hyperbola it's a minus. Sorry, I do go into it. So we got a square into 5 by 2. Now I look for a square. I use this. Let me talk here. Come to this. This is equal to b square upon a is equal to 3 into under root 2. And now Well, if I take here a square, this is into a, this is equal b square upon a square. I used this is equal to what? 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Therefore, 3 cancel. So a is equal to 2 into root 2, and therefore a square is equal to 8. So it is equal to 8 into 5 by 2, and this is equal to 20. My answer is 20. I use the concept of the eccentricity, that e square is equal to what? E square is equal to 1 plus b square upon a square. I got the answer like this, and b square, a square, where I got? Okay, then this is the latest rectum I got into it, and the condition I just had the plus because taking this. So these are the two questions. I said two question episode. I'll be continuing to understand all conic section. First of all, take the circle, parabola, and all straight line. I'll talk about this. I'll take more question on the parabola, and then we talk to you more about the other topics. Hopefully you understand. Go through it, write down these questions, write the solutions, make a copy of it, make every episode there is a one page, and let's try to revise. Thank you so much. I hope you will able to do these questions in your copy. Thank you.